So tomorrow is prelims 2025. Many of you will be sitting for the examination. So let me walk you through what you should be doing. Complete your preparation at a decent time today and try to get some sleep. Keep all the things that you will require beforehand. Your ID, your photograph, a black ballpoint pen, your water bottle and mask if required. Morning में एक decent time पे उठिए. Be as calm as possible. Get ready for the examination and reach the center well in advance. Once you've reached, go to your examination hall and sit there. You will get your OMR, fill in all the details accurately and then calmly wait for the question paper. क्वेश्चन पेपर मिलते ही आपको रियलाइज होगा बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें से नहीं आती हैं. इट हैपन्स एवरी सिंगल ईयर for every single aspirant. But remember that everyone who's sitting for prelims 2025 is getting the exact same question paper. So it doesn't matter how tough it is. What matters is how you handle it. जितनी भी knowledge acquire करी है उसके साथ अपने attempts को maximize कीजिए. Once you're done with the GS paper, try to go out and try to find a place where you can have something and rest. That is the best thing you can do before the CSAT paper. Avoid discussing anything about the GS paper. कोई भी आंसर कीज उस टाइम पे नहीं देखनी चाहिए. You don't even have to focus on the GS paper. आपका GS हो गया है. The process is done. Now you need to actually sit through and write the CSAT paper. CSAT paper में remember that you don't have to attempt all the questions. You have to attempt questions with highest accuracy. Once you're done, उन questions को maximize करके जो आपको लगता है कि सही जाएंगे, you complete your CSAT paper as well. Once you're done with the process, the examination is over, you go back and you wait for the questions analysis and then you'll get to know everything that you want to know. So in the process, while you're there, avoid any sort of discussion. Give yourself completely to the process itself. Be as calm as possible. You will actually realize that the calmer you are, the better the examination will go. So all the very best. The only thing you need to ensure tomorrow is that you perform to the highest of your potential.